Guess what? We're back.
Hello, I'm Paula.
I'm Cecilly.
I'm her mom.
I'm her daughter.
Welcome to This Made Up Life.
Good.
So you have those teas that you don't want to give away because there is kind of some emotional attachment or something. Or the graphics just really cool, but you don't like the tea. So we're going to show you a couple of quick no-sew. Did you hear that, Vicki? No-sew ways to change up a t-shirt. The first one is the one that I'm wearing. So this was a t-shirt that my family gave out for Christmas a few years ago. And
it is a donkey.
It has meaning.
With 2 speakers attached to its back.
And because
the Nelson Family Singers went down to Havasupai and sang a little ditty down in Zion.
We did a show down there.
Yeah.
When I was a kid. Anyway, so my brother designed this shirt, and I didn't want to get rid of it, but I was not going to wear it. One thing that you want to watch for when you're going to hack a t-shirt is how it feels. Mm-hmm. Because that's going to make a big difference in your end product. So you might want something that's a little more drapey.
Yeah, more, you want at least 50-50, so 50 poly, 50 cotton.
Yeah, so.
Or more poly, makes it a little bit drapier.
But basically, it's super simple.
Yeah.
So we're going to show you on this
Watch
tee
this.
that I stole out of my son's drawer that he never wears. So it is large because I wanted it to be kind of long. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to fold it in half with the shoulders together. Okay. And I'm going to lay it here on my surface. I'm using the ironing board just because I need a flat surface. And everything else is covered with projects. All right, now I'm going to cut off the sleeves, and I'm just going to cut them off together. I'm making sure that the shoulders match and that at the end of the sleeve, the side seams match, because I want to get a nice open sleeve so that I can wear a shirt with
under it.
Fun sleeves. So I'm coming in about an inch from where the shoulder seam is on the armhole, about an inch over, and then I'm going to go just to about an inch below where it's attached on this side.
Could you use chalk?
You could use chalk, which is a much better idea, Cecily. Thank you for pointing that out.
You're welcome. For that part. You can just.
So about an inch or 2 fingers width down here, and I'm just gonna make it come around, up to here.
Nice.
So, all right, so I'm just gonna cut those sleeves off, and I can't emphasize enough sharp scissors. If you're gonna, if you think you might do some t-shirt hacks in your future, get some scissors that you just use for
t-shirts.
Fabric.
Oh, yes. Here's a little tip. Paper scissors cut paper, not fabric. No, don't mix your scissors. Have fabric scissors and have paper scissors. And I get very frustrated.
Never the twain shall meet.
No, never. Tyler's always like, what scissors can I use? And I'm like, not those.
Good man. You have a good man there. Okay, so now I've taken off the sleeves. Now I'm going to take off the neck. And on a shirt like this with a graphic, I wanted the back to become the front. But first we're going to cut off the neckline. So this is where I can use a plate. And it's just going to help me get a nice round neckline.
Symmetrical. Sometimes it's hard to eyeball symmetry.
And one thing that can happen with t-shirts is they torque when you wash them.
They twerk?
They don't twerk.
I can't twerk.
They torque.
Torque.
T-O-R-Q. And basically it just means that they start to twist. Have you ever noticed that, where the side seams of your t-shirt, like after you wash it a few times? It's not good. It shouldn't happen in high quality fabrics, but sometimes it does. All right, so now, cute open neckline. And you're gonna pull on it a little bit and you're gonna get that cute roll. And you can pull on your sleeve your armholes, and that'll roll nicely. Now I'm going to find the center front. So I'm just going to fold it again. And I'm only going to cut, careful, careful. This is where you could get, don't get too excited.
Don't get all cut up.
If you cut all the way down both, you'll just have two halves of a shirt. So we're just going to cut down what's going to be our center front.
Oh, at first I was like, you cut down.
Okay, so here's the first pass. Now, Cecily, do you want to just slip this on?
I do want to slip this on.
Okay, I'm so glad we did this one. This is cute.
Oh, this is cute.
Okay, so now we have just kind of a basic little vest. There are a couple of things we can do to it. The first thing I want to do is...
How do we fix this?
That's exactly right.
Upper.
Now we're going to fix that. So what we're going to do is we're going to come up here and we're going to slice off these.
The corners.
Okay. So that it does that.
Okay.
All right. So I'm matching up the center fronts. One of the things that's so nice about these jersey knits is that they're not going to, one, they're not going to fray. And two, they don't, usually, unless it's a really, really fine knit, you don't have a problem with running, like when it...
Oh, yeah.
So now we're going to take one of these sleeves because I want to switch up the fit a little bit. We could leave it just like this.
And you did that with this one,
I
correct?
did it with this one. The only thing I did now was I came in and I cut away the back.
Okay.
So I folded it in half, and about 6 inches up, I just kind of figured about where my waist is. I cut across, and then I started to curve it down towards the hem. So I'm just going to take the sleeve, I cut it to open it up. I'm going to cut off the hem.
That's kind of cute.
And the seams, that's cute.
Let's go.
Yeah, so. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, that's cute.
Easy.
That's nice. Yeah.
Fun. If you have a fun shirt,
you can like tie it if you want.
You can tie it. So many options, but now I've just made a strip from the sleeve, and I'm going to cut that in two.
Share half with me.
Okay, so you have all kinds of options here, but one, and tie it up right here with your extra piece, and that just gives the back even more interest. Okay, Seth, turn. And then if you wanted to, yeah, see, it just gives it a little better fit. Yeah. And then if you wanted to, you could do the same thing right here on each side. I would have to cut one more. But that also just gives it a little extra, and then just trim off your ends.
Oh, this is cute.
It's fun, right?
This is really fun.
So that's our first quick t-shirt hack. I think, please let us know if you try it. We would love to see what you've done. So hashtag I made this up. And be sure to tag us so that we can check it out. But great fun way. This is something fun you can do with your kids.
Oh yeah, go to the thrift store and get a bunch of like giant shirts and
yeah, or even just, you know, show them how they can upcycle their own shirts.
Yeah.
It's a great way to start talking about, have those conversations about sustainability, about let's figure out a way to reuse it and not throw it away.
Awesome.
All right. Thanks for watching. We hope you guys enjoyed it.
And don't forget, if you like the video, like it, follow us, share it, and subscribe. We really need your subscriptions.
And we will have step-by-step pictures of how to do this on our website. So if you go to the blog, they'll be there.
Yep. We'll see you later.
Bye.